Hello students, welcome to the channel. Students, we are going to start today 5.2 practice set. Okay, it's a word problem. So let's start a new practice set on the page number 90. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel, and if you really like the video, please like, comment and share also. Okay, so the first question says that in an envelope there are 5 rupee notes and there are 10 rupee notes. Means in an envelope there are 5 rupee notes and a 10 rupee note. Total amount these notes together is 350 rupees. Means total amount of 5 rupees and 10 rupees notes is amounting to 350 rupees. Means the first condition we have to take out from this sentence. Okay, then the number of 5 rupee notes are less by than 10 rupee note of 10 rupee notes. Okay, then find the number of 5 rupee notes and 10 rupee notes. The second condition we have to take out from this sentence. Okay, then we have to find the number of 5 rupee note and 10 rupee note. So what we have to do is, first of all we have to assume let the number of 5 rupee note be x and the number of 10 rupee note be y. Okay, so let's start. So first answer. Okay, so let the number of 5 rupee notes, let the number of 5 rupee notes be x and number of 10 rupee notes and 10 rupee notes be y. Okay, now from the first condition, very important, easy to understand. Okay, we need to be very careful while doing this. It's very simple and very easy. See here, 5 rupee note and 10 rupee note amounting to 350 rupees. Now we have assumed 5 rupee note is x and 10 rupee note is y. So from the first condition, 5x plus 10y equal to 350 rupees. Okay, 5 rupee note is 5 and 10 rupee note is 10, is amounting to 350 rupees. This is the first condition. Okay, now from the second condition, now what the second condition says that here number of 5 rupee notes. Now number of 5 rupee notes we have assumed x. So x is equal to, okay, are less by 10 than the number of 10 rupee note, are less by 10 than the number of, are less twice. Actually there is a correction in the question, are less by twice 10 than number of 10 rupee note. Okay, so x is equal to twice 10 rupee note is 2y and less is minus 10. Okay, so there is a correction in the question, so we need to correct the question also. Okay, now we have to put into the general form. So therefore x plus 2y equal to, after equal to there is a plus 2y, so plus 2y becomes minus 2y and equal to minus 10 will remain as it is only. We have to give this equation number 1 and this also equation number 2. Okay, now what we have to do is, here it is 5 is there and equation 2 there is a x is there only. So what we have to do is, we need to equate this value. Okay, so we need to multiply equation 2 by 5. So we need to write here multiply equation 2 by 5. Okay, so the new equation will be 5 into x, 5x minus 5 to the 10y is equal to 5 10s the 50, so minus 50. Now this is equation number 3. Okay, now we need to see here equation number 1 and 3. We need to subtract here because here also plus 5x and here also plus 5x. So we need to subtract equation 1 and 3. Subtract equation 1 and 3. Okay, so what is the first equation here? 5x plus 10y equal to 350, and the equation 3 is 5x minus 10y is equal to minus 50. Now see here, this is minus, this minus become plus, and this minus also becomes plus. So plus 5x get cancelled, plus 10y is 20y, and plus 350 plus 50 is plus 400. Okay, so you need to take out the value of y. So y is equal to 400 divided by 20. 1010 get cancelled, 2 2s are 4 and 0. So therefore the value of y is 20. Okay, so one answer we got it. Okay, now we need to put the value of y in equation number 1, 2, 3, whatever. So put y equal to 20 in equation number 1. Suppose in equation number 1. Okay, so what is equation number 1 here? 5x plus 10y equal to 350. So we need to substitute the value of y into the equation. So 5x plus 10 into 20 is equal to 350. Okay, we are putting the value of y here. So 5x plus 10 into 20 is 200. Okay, 1 2s are 2 and 2 zeros here, equal to 350. So 5x, directly go to the equal to sign, 350 plus 200 we need to shift over there, so it becomes minus 200. So 5x is equal to 350 minus 200 is 150. Okay, so need to take out the value of x here. So therefore x is equal to 150. We need to write it down upon, we need to put 5 into the denominator. Now 5 3 is the 15 and this 0 becomes 0. So therefore the value of x is 30. So this is our final answer. Okay, so rupees 30, 30 notes of rupees 5 and 20 notes of rupees 10 respectively. Okay, so this is the first question. I hope you understood this question. So let's go to the now second question. Second question is also very similar. Okay, second question says that the denominator of a fraction is less than twice its numerator. Means whatever the denominator of fraction is there is less twice its numerator. If 1 is added to the numerator and denominator respectively, the ratio of numerator to denominator is 3:5. Find a fraction. It's very simple. We need to assume numerator is x and the denominator be y. Okay, so from the first condition, denominator, okay, denominator is y. So denominator of a fraction is 1 less by twice the numerator. So 2x plus 1. Okay, so we can start from here. Let the numerator be x. Let the numerator be x. Okay, and denominator be y. And denominator be y. Okay, so from the first condition, here, what the first condition says that, okay, the denominator of a fraction, denominator is y, is twice the numerator, means 2x is, okay, is less by 1, it means it is plus 1. Okay, so we need to equate the equation in the general form. 2x plus y becomes minus y. Okay, so equal to this plus 1 becomes minus 1 here. So this is equation number 1. Okay, now from the second condition here, now what the second condition says that if 1 is added to the numerator, see here, if 1 is added to the numerator, okay, means x plus 1, and denominator, that is y plus 1, the ratio would be 3:5. Okay, in some textbook it is 3:5, in some textbook it is 1:2. Okay, so whatever you feel like you can write it down. Okay, there are a lot of correction in the question also. It is not less, it is more. Okay, because we are considered more, and here it is not 3:5, it is actually 1:2. Okay, so make it a correction in the textbook. Okay, so from the second condition, if denominator is added to 1 and numerator is also added to 1, the ratio is 1:2, it means 1/2. So we need to cross multiply here. So 2 in bracket x plus 1 and is equal to 1 in bracket y plus 1, open the bracket now. 2 into x is 2x plus 2 ones are 2 is equal to 1 into y is 1y and here 1. Okay, so 2x plus 2 plus y becomes minus y and plus 1 becomes minus 1. Okay, so we need to combine 2x minus y and plus 2 minus 1. So therefore 2x minus y, this is plus 1. So now we need to make into the general form 2x minus y is equal to plus 1 becomes minus 1. So this is equation number 2. Now if we look at the equation number 1 and 2, equation number 1 and 2 we got it same. So in this case we got infinite many solution. So what we have to do is from equation 1 and 2, okay, so from equations 1 and 2, the given equation is, the given equation have infinite solutions, means there are many solutions here. Infinite means many solutions. Okay, so if we assume x equal to 1, then if we assume x equal to 1 in the equation, so what is the equation here? 2x minus y is equal to minus 1. So 2 into 1, okay, minus y is equal to minus 1. So 2 ones are 2, minus y is equal to minus 1, minus 1 is equal to minus 1, plus 2 becomes minus 2 here. Okay, so minus y is equal to minus 3, minus minus get cancelled. So the value of y is 3. So if we assume x equal to 1, then we got it y equal to 3. Similarly, okay, similarly, if x equal to 2, then y equal to 5. Okay, when x equal to 3, then y equal to 7, then x equal to 4, then y equal to 9. Okay, one I already solved it. In this case you can solve this also, okay, and you will get this same answer. Okay, so therefore what we have to write in the answer, okay, so therefore the required fraction is, what we got it, first one 1 upon 3. Okay, when we assume x equal to 1, we got a value of y equal to 3. So first answer is 1 upon 3, comma, second we have assumed 2, we got the value of y, so 2 upon 5. Third is 3 upon 7, okay, and the next is 4 upon 9, and so on. Okay, so in this case, okay, we have to solve this question. Okay, now let's go to the next question, question number 3rd. Okay, very important, very simple question here. Now see here, the sum of ages of Priyanka and Deepika is 34 years. Sum means here plus sign. Okay, Priyanka is elder to Deepika by 6 years, then find it to today's age. Very simple. We don't have the information of Priyanka. Okay, so we have to assume the present age of Priyanka is x and Deepika is y years. Okay, so let the present age of Priyanka, first we need to assume Priyanka be x years. Okay, and that of Deepika be y. Deepika present age be y years. Okay, so from the first condition now, the sum of their ages is 34 years. Okay, sum means plus, so x plus y is equal to 34. We got the equation number 1. Okay, now from the second condition, what the second condition says that in the textbook, Priyanka is elder to Deepika, means Priyanka is elder to Deepika. Elder to Deepika. It means the condition will x minus elder means minus sign we have to put here. So x minus y is equal to 6. Equation number 2. Okay. Now you see plus y minus y or plus x, here plus x. So in this both the way you can solve this equation. Okay. So here plus y minus y, in this case we have to add the equation 1 and 2. So adding equation 1 and 2, you can subtract also friends. Okay. So adding equation 1 and 2. So what is equation 1 and 2? X plus y is equal to 34 and x minus y is equal to 6. See here we are adding it. So plus y minus y becomes cancelled. X plus x is 2x and this is 40. 34 plus 60 is 40. Take out the value of x. So x equal to 40 divided by this 2. So 2 to the 4, 20. So therefore the value of x is 20. Means the age of Priyanka is 20 years. Okay. Now this value of x we need to put in equation number 1 or equation number 2. So put x equal to 20 in equation number 1. So what is equation number 1 here? X plus y is equal to 34. The value of x is 20 plus y is equal to 34. Take out the value of y. 34 plus 20 becomes minus 20. So y is equal to 34 minus 20 is 14. So we got the value of Deepika age also, that is 14 years. So you can write in the answer also the present age of Priyanka is 20 years and Deepika is 14 years respectively. Okay. So this is the third question of the practice set 5.2, and the remaining 3 questions we are covering in the next video. Okay. So how you like the video, please comment your views also. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself.